Hi, Minnie Wilson. Welcome back to Dinocraft. Now, I did start a build here, and this is gonna be a lighthouse. It's gonna be called Split Clay Lighthouse. We need to craft more ladders if we're able to climb. I don't know what this bridge should be called, but when it's done, we might give it a name. Okay, how do I get this guy to attack me? Do you think if I hit him? Okay, you can't get Dinocraft Ankylosaurus mad. We have to go down to the mine and get the roof upstairs make a roof upstairs. Fire! Get out of there, fire. Hey, what are you doing, bonehead? Bonehead? They are not smart. Wait, that means 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I could have tamed that other one. Bah. There, I trapped him again. Is he dead? We're gonna have to kill some of our ornithomimuses. We tame these guys like they're Minecraft sheep because they give us wool. Don't know how to get that red one. I need to craft some shears. Oh my gosh, there's a fire by my house. Oh my gosh. Come on, hurry up. Die. Did we clear up every fire in here? Hope we did. I think I'll just let those trees burn and think of locations. I am gonna, plant some new trees. I think I have too much saplings. Oak trees give us too much saplings.
I'm not handsome, I know that, but I'm adorable, right?
How are we going to need to craft sticks? I don't know. Well, I think we should head downstairs to the mine. Let's go down. I can only make a wood. We have to find some materials. Ooh, gravel. We're gonna need that for the gravel road. For the road. We need to find, some... Okay, I hate to waste that rock like that. Can we find coal at all? How do you find... Let's go up our exit. Okay, I just can't stop it. There's nothing I can do. Clay! I'll be taking that clay, though. I'll be taking 8 clay. 1 to make 2 blocks. 8 clay. Sun looks like it's going down. I'm not touching either of those saplings. And I don't think we need a sampling. Oh gosh, this is a problem. Hopefully that tree there grows back. We're gonna get our harvest ready soon. We'll take our harvest soon. Okay, I'm still working on upstairs. Oh, it's getting dark. But in the morning, I think I'll leave my furnace running. I'm gonna wait for that to burn. Oh, we still got 2 chests. But I think we're gonna have to use them in the future. I'm gonna go to bed for the night and check the harvest. Ugh, another morning. Okay, well, it is time. Hopefully I got up on the right time. Like my sign that says no trespassing. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna replant some seeds. I'm gonna use those. Spread some of that out. Spread that. Oh, I actually trampled some of the weeds. I need a hoe. Let's plant. I can't even plant those seeds. We don't have a hoe. How much? We got 6 wheats so far. I don't. These are wheat seeds, so these kind of may be coming to help us. What can we craft out of wheat? Okay, you'll need a lot of wheat for a hay bale. I can make some bread. Can craft a furnace, and that's it. Okay, well, I think our wheat harvest went good this year, this time of year. And if you guys need more harvesting videos, leave a comment below. So see you guys soon. Bye.